Why are Muslim shopkeepers ripping people off, and is that not a bad image for Islam? Yes, I've heard stories of and cases of people who are charging extortionate amounts. I've seen videos of pictures of people charging, extortionate prices for vegetables and other things, toilet paper and other things. Even I've heard one of the shopkeepers, the person behind the till in one of the supermarkets, he said that people are buying nappies and then they're selling them at 4, 5, 10 times the price because people need them, and so they're making money off this. Islamically, this is something which is not permissible. This is something which isn't permissible. You're taking advantage of people's needs, people's times of desperation, people who, are in dire need of, basics. These are nappies that people depend on for their families and for their children. SubhanAllah, the Messenger of Allah, he said, لا يؤمن أحدكم حتى يحب لأخيه ما يحب لنفسه. None of you will truly and fully believe until you love for your brother what you love for yourself. And even from an Islamic perspective, you're not allowed to increase the price of something which people are in need of in a community. So if there was a shortage of something and the people need it in a community and only one person has it or a small group of people have it, they're not allowed to increase the price to an extortionate amount just to make more money, because it's something which is a necessity, it's something which people need. And in this case, these things could be considered, and Allah knows best, as necessities.